Hi everyone, good evening. So today the open source project I want to introduce is called OpenClaw. Well, this morning I already made a recording, however, make the recording, but I forgot to share my screen. So this is how it looks like. So I have to remake the video again. So I think I will make it short and brief. Currently, the star for OpenClaw is 178K, and I can imagine that very soon it will go above AutoGPT because the difference is only 4K, and maybe tomorrow morning I will find that OpenClaw will become the top one project. You know, in AI era, things changing so fast, and you wake up and the whole world change. So it's a very crazy era, I should say. And where's the report? Yeah, here we are. Okay, so let's have a look at it. So OpenClaw is an open source project, AI system project that allow users to run a complete AI assistant system on their own devices. The core philosophy is local first, emphasize data privacy and user control. Okay. And here's some hands-on experience how to install it. And it will consume the the token. So it is supported either Anthropic or OpenAI API. And this is how to install it. But you know, because token consumption is pretty expensive, so I don't think that I will try it. Yeah, all these are the steps how to config. Okay. Oh, now I understand why people purchase Mac Mini to run it because it has full system exercise. Okay. So here are some core features like a browser control, like file system operations, session management, cron jobs, kind of like a personal assistant, and a voice interaction, canvas visualization, custom multi-agent collaboration, security and permission management, sandbox mode. Okay. Remote exercise, monitoring and debugging, skill extension. Interesting. So OpenClaw supported extending function through skills. And in the open community, people develop a lot of skills for it. It's kind of like Python, right? A lot of people develop all kinds of different libraries that you can utilize, and you can scales by yourself. Performance optimization. Yeah, in future, I guess that we will spend a lot of money on token consumption, which means that it give a lot of opportunity to companies who set, who provide computation power, such as session compaction, model fallback, cache optimization. Gateway won't start. Here's some, troubleshooting and just skip it. Okay, so I don't want to run it on my personal computer, so let's skip the uh, hands-on parts. For features, multi-channel message integration. OpenClaw allows you to interact with AI assistants through messaging apps you already have used daily without learning new interfaces. Sounds good? Local first architecture. All data and computation occur on user's own device without relying on cloud services to store sensitive information. You know, in a long time, cloud providers like Microsoft AWS push, the so-called go cloud strategy. And nowadays, since gradually, turn back and people emphasize security and privacy, so began to, try to deploy things in local environment. Maybe I should purchase a Mac Mini, I guess. Hmm. Yeah. Let me write down. Maybe I can purchase a Mac Mini as a, sandbox environment. Maybe. Let me see. So that when I run open source project, it won't impact my local environment, I guess. Yeah. Actually, I can just check it now, right? Mac Mini. Okay, $500. Hmm. What if I go to Apple's website? Mac Mini. Okay. So if I purchase a M4 chips, it's about $600. And if F4 Pro, it's about one, it's about 1,400. Oh, it's so expensive, huh? But if I purchase on, oh, interesting. Purchase on Amazon is much cheaper, huh? Let's go to App Store here and search for Mac Mini. Hmm. Okay. Okay, different version. So, okay, M4. This is $550. if I want to get more storage, it's 700. Okay. And if I want to purchase, okay, it's even more expensive. Okay. I think the storage is important. So how about in the official website? Okay, in official website, it has different version of memory. Ah, and different storage. Okay. Such as, okay, like, okay, 1 TB is $1,000. I think storage is important, but here, okay, on Amazon, the options is limited. Gotcha. Yeah. And the earliest version is 2024, huh? Hmm. And okay. It even doesn't have a 1 T storage. Hmm. $24G. Let's see. 24G and 500. How much it is? $1,000. And here it's $900. Okay, 10% cheaper. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Browser automation. Open, open, OpenClaw can control from browser to perform web browsing, data extraction, form filling, and other tasks. Okay. File system operation. OpenClaw can read, write, and edit local files to help you manage documents, code, and data. Multi-agent collaboration. OpenClaw supports creating multi-independent AI agents. Each can focus on different tasks, and the agent can communicate and collaborate with each token. What I'm curious about is how much token it will consume. And schedule task automation. Core technologies. TypeScript type system. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static type tracking. WebSocket real-time communication. Those are all those technology are some fundamental computer science technology. Pi agent framework. Pi is a lightweight AI agent framework developed by Mario Zach, upon which OpenClaw's core AI capability are based. Okay. Token consumption calculation. Sandbox isolation technology. OpenClaw uses Docker containers to implement sandbox isolation, imitating execution permission for untrusted code. Okay. Playwright browser automation. Bailey's WhatsApp library. And here's some technology for AI and ML token. I guess that, the next step for those AI agents is how to reduce their token consumption, because it's too expensive to use, which means that then it's pretty hard for you to enable it to run for 24 hours, 7 days. LLM, large language model. RAG, retrieval augmented generation. Embedding. Streaming. Okay, architecture. So OpenClaw adopted a hybrid design pattern of layered architecture and event-driven architecture. Core modules, gateway module, session manager module, role system module, final adapters module, pipeline. Our OpenClaw is primarily designed for single user use. The architecture supports horizontal scaling. And here's some milestones. Okay. So September 2024, project birth. Okay. So actually, this open source project already been here for 1.5 years. Okay. Founder, Peter Steinberger. Oh, okay. Austria. Based in San Francisco. Oh, interesting. iOS developer, open source contributor, entrepreneurship. Okay. So actually, interesting. So which means that before he starts this project, he already become a successful entrepreneur. Okay, that's cool. Philosophy, no code first. Open and transparent. Pragmatism. Quality first. Bootstrap model. Don't take external funding. Achieve profitable growth through customer revenue. Maintain full control and make a decision automation. Rapid growth shouldn't sacrifice product quality. Sustainable business model matter more than valuation. Okay. And here are some business analysis. Okay. And here are some competitors such as ChatGPT. Here's closed source the competitor ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Assistant, open source competitors, OpenGPT, AutoGPT, non-chain, Home Assistant. Yeah, I guess I still should purchase a Mac Mini to run those open source projects. Yeah. Yeah, local first is key differentiation. Open source community and growth engine. Bootstrap sustainability of bootstrap model. Importance of tech stack choice. Full argumentation is future of AI assistant. Okay, and here's some suggestion for Hongyido AI. Adopt a local first architecture. Build a true ecosystem. Then open source community management. Adopt iterative MVP development. Focus on data security and compliance. Consider multi-language utilization. Yeah, I guess maybe I should I open source? Yes, here's a comparison between China and America. Okay. Yeah, I think this suggestion makes sense. Personal brand and technical influence. Mm. Here's a summary for career path. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much about the OpenClaw. I think that to really understand this project, still need try to really deploy it on my local environment, so that if I don't have hands-on experience, actually it's still pretty hard to really understand what it's all about. So yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much for this open source project. And thank you everyone. Bye.